Hey y'all, it's your girl Shai and I'm back with another video. So today we're going to be doing this drawstring ponytail, y'all. This is bang. I was a little nervous about it, I'm not going to lie, because I've never tried a drawstring ponytail before. But it came out super cute, so you're going to see it at the end. So this one is 40 inches long. 40, y'all. It's as tall as me, okay? And then what we're going to do is just put this wig on. This is my birthday wig. So I literally found this wig in my closet. I said I need a wig to put this drawstring pony on. And this was the perfect wig. So put the ball cap on. Did my whole method of, you know the vibes. You know the vibes of what I'm doing. Put it on. And then I put the drawstring pony on the back of it. And I low-key want to get into the reason on why I'm putting on a wig first and then putting on the drawstring pony. So my hair, y'all, has been going through it. Since I've been in California, my hair has been super dry. It hasn't been as moisturized as it's been since I've been on the East Coast. California has done a number on my hair. But like I said before in previous videos, I'm going through a journey of growing my hair back out because I cut it all off. So we gonna grow her back out, period, okay? So I'm trying my best, y'all, to get my hair back lively how it was. But, you know, it's just some extra care that needs to be had when being out in California because the water is very, very hard. And if you know about hard water has a lot of minerals in it, and it strips your hair of the moisture that you need for your hair. So, yes, we're going on a moisture trip, okay? Okay, and then once I finish the ball cap, I put this wig back on. Literally, it's still parted from when I did it on my birthday. And I was like, I just need something quick to put on, y'all. Just something quick, just something easy. Super quick, super easy. Like John Nice be saying in her cooking videos. Super quick, super easy, okay? So I started hot combing the hair back. I needed to get it flat so I could put it into this ponytail. I just used some holding spray just to get the little hairs down. And then I still had that bang out because I'm like, the bang will be cute with the ponytail.
Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Why I'm by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is.
So what I'm using now is my hot comb to just hot comb the bang out. Make it look cute, make it look like a vibe, you know. Then I'm going in with my Got To Be Glue gel and just gelling up the baby hairs, making sure they look cute so I can swoop them and just cutting them, just making it look popping, you know. Because I'm telling y'all, like, this wig was still intact. Like, it didn't have anything that I needed to do more to it. Baby hairs were still there. The little sideburns were still there. So, it was lit.
Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. about on your timeline. That's cutting all in my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all in my time. My time.
So once I was finished with the bang, I went in with the ponytail just to pop her on. These are all the details on the ponytail. Y'all, when I tell y'all, the ponytail came out fuego, okay? Like super cute, super fire. And the ponytail has actual like clips on it that you could put onto the back of your actual pony. So it comes with that drawstring, and then it comes with a clip at the top and then a clip at the bottom. So you could literally just pop it on and then go. I did, however, like just wrap it around. I did the wraparound. I did the wraparound just so I could cover up that ponytail base, because you know sometimes it could look like kind of detached. So I just wrapped it around just to make it look cute. So what I'm doing now is wrapping around the actual ponytail on the wig and just tying that up. And then once I tie that up, I'm going to put the ponytail actually on that back ponytail so you can see it right now. And like I said, I'm just wrapping that piece around just so it won't look detached, you know? Just wrapping it around. And y'all, this is very quick, very easy to just pop it on. Don't mind my little beads, okay? And this is the final look, y'all. So like, share, subscribe, do all of that. And just get into the pony. Like really just get into it. Okay? It's just so cute. Like I love it. I love it, y'all. I love it. It just get very dainty, very skinny, you know? But anyway, though, I'll play y'all. But like, subscribe, do all that, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.